Hello, sometimes we come across such files in which there is no save option, but then we do require some data from these files. So this video will provide a solution for such problem. You just need to remember three magical keys. One is your window key, another is shift key, and another is the letter S. Remember, you need to press all of these keys together. Window, shift and the letter S1. Suppose this is the file from which you need to extract the leaf picture. So you will press the three keys together, you will get this option. Press on this, drag the area you want to cover into it, leave the click, and a pop-up menu will come as it is shown here in the black window. Press on Snip saved, and then again a small window will open. Now on this window, click on the save option. Just give the path to this image where you want to store in your laptop. I have saved in my downloads. Now the work with the file where you have copied is almost over. Now you will open the Word file where you actually want to use this picture. I have opened a Word document, then clicked the insert menu, went into the picture option and chosen the same path which I have chosen for the image to be saved. So I have clicked the downloads, and there with the screenshot I saved the picture. So I'm picking up the same, and this will bring the picture on my Word document. Now you can make the border as the way you want. So this snip tool is very much helpful when we are working on such files where is no save option provided. I hope this video serves helpful.